Morning everybody. It's a new day, new challenges. So the first thing we're going to do, put studs into this wall, and then we're going to start building shelves and stuff and building a bench in here so that we can get stuff underneath it. And then back here, if I have enough lumber left over, we're going to try to build more shelves further up so we can stack stuff. Because we've got some stuff that we got to move out of the garage, our former garage that we still have, but we got to bring it over here so that we can use that space for something else. The other thing I want to get done is run some wiring so that we can finish up on some walls and get some more insulation and stuff in some of these places. As far as bikes go, we have a customer who just bought this unit. It's a 2016 WR250, and he just wants it going over to make sure that everything's working like it's supposed to. And we already found some things. Take a look at this bike, and then we're gonna see how much we get done. All right, everybody. So it's still a mess in here, but we did get that built. Got this wall up. Did get the last two studs in here. We're still waiting on getting a piece, the last piece of this material, and I need to go get one more piece, and then that will all be finished. Continuing the day from yesterday, moving stuff over from where we used to be. See, there's all kinds of stuff in here. There's my 2020 M109, oh so lonely in this weather. But anyway, so today one of the goals is to be able to clear a lot of this stuff out of here and take it over to the new shop. Like I said yesterday, I was building shelves and stuff like that. Hopefully get a lot of this stuff over there. Like I said yesterday, I got this bench built and got this wall up on this side. So this will be where we'll have some drill presses and things like that along this wall, and that's kind of what I'm getting from the other shop. So we got this space all cleaned out, but we still have a lot of stuff over here. We're just gonna have to continue that at a later date. Put a bunch of stuff over and put it in storage. Nothing too crazy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.